the forefathers of the country understood that they need to invest in academia and in industry. The first classical computer in Israel was built just 10-minute drive from here at the Weizmann Institute of Science in the 1950s, right? That was less than 10 years after the Holocaust. The
Right.
country was just established. People were getting food stamps, and a group of people was building one of the first 10 computers in the world. So people had vision, and we're standing on the shoulders of these giants.